Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, dear children, I welcome you all in this fresh morning in our computer class. Today, we are going to start with chapter 2, parts of a computer. Before that, children, I hope you all have completed book exercise of chapter 1, computer, a machine, in book itself. So dear children, we'll start with the topic parts of a computer. Do you know, children, our body also is made up of different parts like eyes we see, hands we work, legs we walk, and lips we speak. So dear children, let me give you one more example. Look it over here. Can you see this pen? This pen has different parts. What are they? Look it over here. This is a cap. I opened it. So this is a cap. We can consider it as a one part. Then it has a upper holder. Look, I am opening this. Can you see? Yes. Okay, similarly we can again close it. So this is again one part. Okay, then I fixed it. Okay, so we can write it properly. Then this red one, this is a grip which helps to write properly. Then inside that what it is? It is a refill. Using that we can use the ink and we can write. And at the down we have again one more holder which is giving support to the lead, or I can say the refill. So these all parts like this, I can say below holder, then this above holder, then grip, refill, and this above cap. These all are making the pen functionable. We can write using this pen smoothly, or we can function, or this pen can function in a smooth way or in a easier way. So similarly, dear children, every machine or every object has a different parts. Likewise, can you see this picture? What is this? It is a computer system. It works with the help of electricity. It also has many parts, like this is a one part, this is also a one part, this one and this one. So we are going to study about these only in our class. As I gave you the example, like every machine has a different parts. So here is one more example of bicycle. Can you see this bicycle has different parts? For example, it has seat to sit. These are handles to move. Brakes are there to stop the bicycle. Wheels are there to move forward. Tire is there to give a grip. Pedal is there to move forward, and the proper functioning of this bicycle, we have a chain attached with it. So these all parts are making a bicycle function well. Using these all parts, a bicycle can function well. You can enjoy your ride using a bicycle. Isn't it, dear children? Yes. So now you can find some more machines in your surrounding which has different parts. You can make a list of it. Our body also has many parts like eyes, nose, tongue, knee, toes, leg, fingers, mouth, ear and head. Nose we smell. Fingers we use for write or for counting. Ears will listen. Eyes we see. So these all body parts helps a body to function well. So dear children, do you know a computer has 4 main parts? These are monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. These are the basic parts, main parts of a computer system which helps computer to function well. whereas some other parts are also there, like speakers are there to enjoy music, to listen songs in a good voice. Printer is there to get the copy of your text. So these all makes a computer function well. These all we call it computer parts. So what we have learned? Computer has monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse and speakers. These are basic parts of a computer system. So dear children, I hope likewise bicycle has different parts to function it well. Body also has different parts to perform task or to function well. Similarly, dear children, you all have understood different or a basic parts of a computer, which are monitor, keyboard, mouse and speaker, CPU and printer. So dear children, you have to read the lesson page number 9 for the parts of a computer. We will meet you in next class. Till that time, have healthy diet, take care of yourself. Bye bye. God bless you all.